Okay, good morning everyone. Welcome to McBoss Capital live stream. My name is Michael Chu. Today is Monday, June 16, 2025. We are at 9:04 a.m., 1.5 hours into the market. This is Mountain Time, 11:04 Eastern Time. We see that Nasdaq is doing really well, up 1.57%. Dow Jones is up 1.21%. And S&P is up 1.21% as well. And Nasdaq volume is coming in higher, 9.7%. And New York Stock Exchange volume slightly lower, down 3%. So we'll see if this can hold up throughout the day. But really good, strong move today so far on stocks on the move. We are also seeing lots of stocks on the list here. Um, it's doing okay. So we'll go through this list. Most of them I already tracked. So let's jump to the stocks. Let's go to the index for a second first. So here's QQQ. We've come a long way from this April 7 low here. Um, and we talk about this pullback, and we have another pullback last Friday, and today very positive. This is exactly what you want to see if we do see a bounce, which is not only a gap up but like a very strong move um, back above the 10-day moving average. And also I think it did rise above even like Thursday's high. Yes, it did. Yeah, so here you go. So that is very positive. And it's holding up really strong today. Like, I mean, it could always come back down, but even just the way it's holding, it just show a very different attitude, like compared to the last week. Like you can see here, it just constantly um coming down, gap down, right? So we'll see, like a day that where it can close sideways, even that will be really powerful because um, it gives us a very good support level at the gap up here. And so if you were to get in some stocks today, that gives you that support level there. And if you undercut that, then probably you want to get out again. But at least short term, I think we have some support here. Um, yeah, I think it's a good entry point because the market is very close to breaking to new highs. So um, despite all the negative headlines about war in Iran, Israel, this is still wanting to move up. So yeah. All right, let's look at some stocks here. So yeah, some of the stocks came on the list this morning. So we'll start with the tech sector here, Avago. So this one, it hasn't bounced as strong as others, at least decisively. You can see it just barely bounced, and it hasn't go back above Friday's high here, but it has found support. So and it looks like it's trying to make intraday high right now. Yes, it did. Look at that. So that's a good sign. So probably we'll break this high today, maybe, right? But that's what we want to see. But already intraday making new highs, so that looks really good. So little bit still trying to come out, but like I said, the progress is looking good today. Okay, next one on the list, Billy. This is Chinese stock, very volatile. It gap up right here, then it gap back down right there, and then today it gap back up again. Um, so we'll see. Yeah, this one's definitely more volatile. Next we have Credo. This one we were talking about on the weekend. It definitely showing lots of power right now. Tight consolidation, bounce off 10-day. It's moving up nicely right now. It's probably going to make a new closing recent high here. Nvidia looks like it's already making new intraday high as well, bouncing really strong from the 10-day. Next we'll look at Reddit. So Reddit was a slow mover, but it looks like it's starting to move. So here's another big move today. It's now like sitting near the 200-day moving average, which is sloping upward, which is a good thing. And Palantir, probably the all-star in the market right now, is because it's showing really strong behavior in the last week. Look at this uptrend line right here, very strong slope. And then we have TSM. TSM also bouncing today. This is another strong stock. It didn't even touch the 10-day recently. So we have Monster here, rank 274, moving up. So a little bit low on my ranking list. RCL, this one has pulled back and now it's trying to bounce. Just sitting near the 10-day right now. So it's a good bounce today, but probably, yeah, it's a good bounce off the 21 days. So we'll see. Today is just the day one of the bounce, so we'll see if it can continue. Next we have SE. SE also bouncing today. It's just near the 10-day line. This one hasn't gone anywhere for a while. Like it made a slight movement here, but it came back down pretty fast, and it was trading below the 21 day for many days. So that's the negative part. But again, we'll see if it can come back above the short-term moving average here. Next we have VRT. Well, this one is starting to move as well. Like looks like it's gonna be, if it closes here, it'll be a new closing high. So recent high anyway. So that looks good too. Next we have some health related stocks, HEMS. So this one have been very jittery lately, like just bouncing up and down, bouncing up and down. Try to come out here, it fell. Right now it's making another move here, so we'll see if that will work. PHC, very similar, just trading tight sideways for a while here. Still trying to come out of this handle base. So it did come up above it slightly this morning. We'll see if it can close strong today and just break through that barrier. Insulate, this one is kind of, again, this one has reversed so far this morning. It's trying to come back up, but hasn't been able yet. So we'll see how that goes. Then we come to the some of the stocks doing well is the energy area, like oil related AR. This one, again, oil today is actually down. Uh, here's US oil down 3%, very strong. But yet this stock, this few oil and gas stocks are moving upward. Look at that, how strong it is. EQT, look at this. RRC, all three stocks are. This one reversed a little bit, but still overall is still up. So very strong. Then we have the financial area, QFIN. This is a Chinese stock trying to make a move right now. It's pulled back slightly so far this morning. We'll see if it can bounce back and close strong here. CISO. CISO has been a star. There's some volatile day here, but overall it's just continue to power up. Like it's definitely one of the strongest performance stock right now. And then we have Upstart. So Upstart pull back and it bounced near the 21-day line. So we'll see if this bounce can continue probably tomorrow or something. But today it looks pretty good. So overall, the market has shown that it can bounce today after the Friday down day. Down, yeah. So this is SPY here. Uh, Again, we're getting very close to the making another high here. So very positive. Dow is just coming back above 10-day. IWM just sitting near the 10-day right now. And the IBD Innovator 50 ETF also bouncing very strong. Right now it's probably, yeah, making probably very close to a high, 31.14. So just a little bit short of it right now. But this morning it was as high as 31.15. So just but one by 1 cent. But yeah, overall it's very strong move for. So a lot of growth stocks move quite significant today. Um, I on days like that, if you're not in some of the stocks you want to be in, um, it's not that you can't get in. Just like manage your risk properly. Like I said, the stop level. I'll just use an example. Let's say I want to get into Amago, right? And this is making new high, and look at this move, very strong, right? So this could be the stop level, support level for the day, and yeah, and we're just starting to bounce, so we could have a lot of room to run because it needs to break out of the previous high here. This is the original buy point, so you can still have a lot of room to move. Yeah. So thank you all for watching. Have a very good day. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again tomorrow if you're able to make the live stream. Thank you.